which is capturing everything. This is exactly what I need it for. All right, today we're gonna bring a soldering filter. This is for close and personal soldering filters. Like if you're gonna solder indoors and you don't have a good ventilation, this has a filter. So it has a fan in the front, all right? The fan and the filter's in the back. This is gonna be the back, all right? So you're gonna have to face the filter. You got your power on and off, your AC connection, of course, and then filter. This is where the filter goes, and on top of that, they do give you extra filters, including the instructions. Extra couple filters in here, including the instructions, which are here. Very simple. Just place this in the front. All right, so we're gonna turn this on and see how loud it is. So right now, sucking out the air. We're gonna turn a smoke machine on that I have. Look at that. So if you're working from anywhere, it's very effective. So you guys see, very effective while it's working. Look at that. So this is going to be helpful for when you're, anytime you're working. Look in the back, nothing's coming on the back, which is capturing everything. This is exactly what I need it for. So one of the best things I do need it, look at that, when I'm working. I don't want to get that. If you're working with lead or any toxins, this is perfect. All right, let's go ahead and solder some of the stuff, all right, first. All right, just complete it. It looks beautiful. I haven't put glue yet or anything else. I'm still testing it out. .6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.